Welcome to the daily message for this first Sunday of Lent. As you read and reflect on the readings for today's liturgy, I invite you to pay special attention to the second reading, which comes from the first letter of Peter. In that reading, Peter compares the water of the flood at the time of Noah with the water of baptism. Noah, by building an ark, was saved from the waters of the flood. In baptism, we are saved by the water that is poured over our head. The seasons of Lent and Advent offer us a special opportunity to reflect on our baptism and on the promises that we made at our baptism or that were made for us. In baptism, we were initiated into the church. But the season of Lent reminds us also that our baptism was not a once and for all experience, that we have to constantly renew our baptismal promises, that we have to renew our commitment to Christ and his church. And so this Lent gives us a time to reflect on how we can renew our baptismal promises, that we can reject sin, and that we can believe more fully in God, in his Son, and in his Holy Spirit. Thank you for watching again today. Have a safe, restful, healthy, peaceful Sunday.